Guys, it is D. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this is essentially part 3 of my video or tutorial on how to DIY this cute Pinterest inspired crop top. So in my first video, I actually released 2 videos prior to this video which shows you the pattern to construct this top. I didn't end up putting the pictures in the pattern or in the video like I said I would, because I was currently struggling with that video or editing the video, hence why it was uploaded in 2 parts. So I'm gonna put a picture somewhere over here of the original top, and then I'm gonna show you how I did it because this is the final outcome. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, let's get sewing. Okay, so I actually put my everything here. So I've got some velvet, some black velvet, which is going to be the fabric that we're going to use for the black areas of our top. And one thing I love about this velvet is that it's shiny and it stretches. And then I have this rib fabric which I use to like recreate the Rihanna dress, the Rihanna inspired dress. I don't know what precisely is the name of this fabric, but it's just because I got it and they were like, it's just rib fabric. And then yeah, and then for the purple part of the fabric I chose, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but if I'm pronouncing it wrong and I'm butchering it, I do sincerely apologize. But yeah, I think it's velour. It's not velvet, velour, I think something along those lines. And then I have this polar fleece zebra print fabric that I bought so long ago. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, also here are my patterns right over here. These are my patterns. So I'm gonna first start out with the white because there's a lot of white, and then I'm gonna move to the other fabrics.